Welcome to Tech Guru Technology. My name is Imran Khan. In this session, we'll learn about do-while loop in VBA. What is the difference between do-while loop and while loop? The question is that why we need do-while loop actually. I'll explain you. For that, we need to write something like Alt F11 to go to the window where we need to write code. So okay, here you can see our while loop. All right. So the while loop, let me show you the working of while loop. I believe if you didn't watch my previous video, please watch my while loop video first in order to understand do while loop. All right. So what while loop or while loop do? It just put some we are just initializing some value in variable like I is equal to 10. So what I did, you see that I made some our code, green. So how it become and why why I did this task. So in order to make any code comments, no, you need to select that particular code and then just click here the comment block. So VBA will not execute those portion of code. This in this portion of code we are not doing anything. We can add anything here. Like we are saying single quote, either write single quote in with your keyboard or clicking here and select all line and clicking here. So I'm going to say example of do while loop. You can add anything here in code. And why we needed this kind of comment? So why we need, because if we have 2000 line code, 5000 line codes, how can we identify which portion of code is working for what? So okay, so I just put comment for those while loop because we need to understand the difference between do while loop and while loop. So in while loop, you see, if I put I is equal to 11 here, then you will check condition first. It will not run that portion of code, right? And what our do while loop do? So let me do it and let me write code, then show you. So please guess what will do. It will display any result or not. So the what is the format of do while loop? Do loop and then while I less than is equal to 10. Hope it's working. All right. So the format, if I'm writing the format of while loop like this is nothing but do while loop. Do, that means do something. Go and do something. Do not check anything. So go and do something and then check. And if it's wrong, then go outside. So the so so that means while loop is checking the condition first and do while loop is checking condition at last. So in other word, I can say do while loop will execute at least once, even the value is true or not. All right. So for that, I'm just copying or not copying. I need to rewrite. I always prefer to rewrite some code. Do not copy. So I'm saying go to the sheet 3 and cells number I plus 1. What I said, I explained in few videos. I plus in 1 is nothing. Here value is 1. So the 1 plus 11 plus 1 is nothing. 12. So we believe some kind of result at the row number 12. All right. And the column number, same column number. And we are saying, okay, write some value like 2 into I. 2 into 11, that means uh, 2 into 11, 22. We need 22 value at row number what? Row number 12 and column number 1. So we need some value here, right? As for our loop. So see if I execute this loop in one go, click here. Oh, so if you want to see result, you can also click here. So you see that it's working fine. However, you can see the value of I is 11, which is not less than or equal to 10. So so here you can see that do loop is at least executing one time. No, it's not checking any value. It's at least entering in this loop body once. So let me show you in break mode what is our loop is doing. So I'm just clicking at F8, starting here. See, because I put those portion in comment, so the this execution is not start from this line. Example of do while, or it's not a start from this line. All right, so it's start from the line number this I is equal to 11. All right, so and then we not just clicking at F8 again. So do, and then no, no, strange. No, I is equal to 11, which is not less than 10. However, our code VBS has entered inside the body of that loop. Understand? Now I'm saying F8. Now it's checking value. Now it's checking that if I is less than 10 or not. So now you can say that I is equal to 11, so it's not less than 10. So it's come out of that loop. So VBA will come out of that loop. Now it will not execute anymore. So you can see the result 22 here. All right. So if you want to write some similar kind of table here, so what we need to write? We need to write same kind of, in case of similar kind of table. So what we need to write? We need to write similar kind of code, whatever we have written in while loop. So that means our code start from 1, and then we need to increase I. So otherwise it's quite similar. Now this loop is quite similar with the loop showing in the previously. So because it's doing similar kind of task, like it's also writing table of 2. So let me execute and check if it's writing table of 2 or not. Maybe or may not. What do you think? Yes, yes. So we can see the table of 2 here. So at this point of time, the do while loop and while loop is working very much similar, you can see. So all right, so we can check the result is very much similar, because in do while loop and while loop we are getting some kind of similar kind of result: 2 4 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 4 2 3 6 and 2 10 10 20. All right, so here is the difference. And what is the main example, the main question the interviewer can ask? Can you please explain in the real time where we need to use the do while loop and while loop and for loop? All right, so I am just lefting this question to you, up to you. Search out on internet and somewhere and just find out the solution. And right, so it's like it quite easy. It's not too difficult. So you need to write something like in interview question. Interviewer can ask the difference between loop, for loop and while loop and do while loop. All right, so and then why we need to where we need to refer do while loop in real time. So because I'm just giving you an assignment here, in this VBA session. So please note down this question, and please do some kind of assignment for you, no, for yourself. All right, so please, I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.